Hello everyone, my name is Bartu and today we are going to give some information about fuel costs of an airline and ways to reduce it with my group mates Erdem and Dimitro. The aim of this assignment is that being aware of one of the largest single costs of an airline, which is fuel, and how this affects full service carrier, also low cost carriers, and find out ways how the airline can reduce this cost. And for this project, we found some data about our airlines, which are KLM, Southwest, and JetBlue. As you can see, KLM leads the group both in total expenses and total fuel cost since it's a full service carrier. Their fuel cost is approximately $5 million and it covers up to almost 20% of their total expenses. On the other hand, Southwest spent $17 million for total expenses and close to $4 million in fuel cost. This leads to 23% share in total expenses. And finally, we have JetBlue, which is another low-cost carrier like Southwest, and their numbers shows us that they spent $6 million in total expenses with a share of $1.3 million for fuel costs. To make those numbers look easy, we created a bar chart to compare the fuel costs of each airline, and you can check it out. Final part of our presentation is about the three ways to reduce fuel cost for airlines. First of all, airlines can choose and fly on more efficient routes. With the right data available at their disposal, pilots can fly the most direct routes, exploit of shortcuts, and request takeoff and landing directions that save fuel. Second option is the adjusting to changes, which means with access to the most present data, pilots can request course and altitude changes to minimize the impact of winds, turbulence, and other natural conditions that require them to use extra fuel. And lastly, decreasing the weight of an aircraft might be another option. The less weight you have within the aircraft, the less fuel will be consumed by the aircraft. And I want to finish our presentation with an example. Southwest not only installed lighter seats on its planes but switched out glass bottles for cans for this purpose. Thank you for listening us, and these are the references.